We got a fire alarm here, and I've got no... I'm going to get out right now. It's this time, and my audio recorder has failed. So that means the only thing that I've got as an audio to serve as an audio recorder is this video camera. And I've been told to leave all my stuff in here. Corporate Security will take care of it. I guess you're not allowed to use the elevators at times like this. So we'll go down these evil empire stairs. City Mississauga flag that I love so much. And what side will I go on? I think I'll go out through this side. What's weird is we've actually got people coming into the building instead of out, like those people. Let's go. It'll be interesting to see if I got my stuff back in the... Ah, yes, here we go. Oh, I think that's our fire truck. Yes! Oh, it is. This is an opportunity for the Mississauga Fire Department. We will meet them. I can hear them now, folks. Oh, yeah. Here they come. What a response time, folks. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Nuts, they're going the wrong way. That means I got to meet them out the other side. Going down this way. There's a Missy Fire truck going by. So they're obviously going around the front of the building. And we'll do that now too. It's a great opportunity to record our Mississauga Fire Department in action. The other thing is, so far I haven't seen any of the city councilors, the city mayor coming out, being rescued, standing out for precautionary reasons. We have two Mississauga fire trucks. There they are. Always an opportunity, by the way, to look at the stud muffins in our Mississauga Fire Department. But you didn't hear that from me. And over here we have a fire hydrant. This is a Mississauga fire hydrant. There we go. There we go. There we go. We've got A101 and P101 here. And they're going into there to check stuff out. Let's check stuff out too. It's going up the stairs. Can't see much. Nope, nothing. But there's the trucks. And I have to say, considering that I've been sitting inside council since about, 5 to 9, this is definitely the most interesting thing that's happened so far today.